Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to be painting this beautiful potted plant. For this we will first draw the base of the pot first. So I'm doing a very basic trapezium on rounded edges using a pencil. You could make this, or you can just decide not to do it. To make it easier, I'm just drawing this. The paints that I'm using are from Prima, Tropicals, and there is another palette which is called as the Pastel Dreams. So I'm going to start with mixing some green to create our leaves directly, and then we'll paint the pot after that. So it's just a matter of drawing the stem and pointy leaves coming out from the sides. Go free flow. You don't have to worry about making every leaf corresponding each other perfect to the earlier one. Mix up your greens. Start with one shade and then mix up a couple of greens together to create another shade, and so on and so forth. I'm now going to mix a couple from the Tropicals palette, mixing some blue now with the green. This will create a nice beautiful shade again. Your leaves don't always have to be straight. Some can be bent, some can be overlapping, some can be shorter in length, some tall. So this has helped to create a very nice bush. You could also experiment with creating this entire thing with a single color of green. I'm using the same brush for creating all of the leaves here. It gives a more uniform finish and better proportion. A couple more and then we'll move on to painting our pot. For painting the pot, I'm going to take a brown and start section by section. For the first section, I'm adding a little bit of brown and then washing it with some water to get a very nice blend, and it shows that the light is coming from the right side. Similarly for the bottom part, before it dries out, I'm just going to take a slightly darker shade so it's easier to blend in. Taking a little bit of darker green to add in some of the areas to finish up the pot. As you can see, it's extremely easy to do it. Hope you like it, and do try and leave comments of how yours came out.